Page 53, Harmonies. We just had melodies. That's where you have one note after another making a melody. Well, now we have harmonies. Harmonies is when you can hear more than one note in your head. The different tones, the different pitches at the same time. We got harmony. What are harmonies? That's what these chords are doing. When you hear these two, didn't say you like the harmony. That's not harmony. It's a harmony. It's a combination of notes at the same time. That's harmonies. Now harmonies, when you're playing chords like this, you can't connect them. Piano won't let you. So you're just up and down gently. Do the best you can. You want the space in between these to be as short as possible, but you can't help it. You're going to have a little silence between them. Just make sure you can play all these notes. In the second line you have... Okay. You get the idea with harmonies. Now it's a little tricky because the human brain can hear a note even after it's not playing anymore. You can still hear it. It's in your memory. So even if like a melodies up above, when I played that, go to the last measure, look up above on melodies. The last measure there in the left hand is here. Well, I'm playing it one note at a time, but I can still hear all those notes. And so I can in my head I can still hear them. That's just the way the brain works. So you can hear harmonies even when you're playing a melody, is my point. But that's not what we're after here. We're talking about harmonies and where the notes are played at the same time. And harmonies, 2 lines long, quarter notes and whole notes and half notes. The hands are playing one at a time. Okay. 4/4 time, we got that. You're counting to 4, you're counting quarter notes. You got your notes. You work them out one at a time. In the left hand, place the first line, work these notes out one at a time, figure them out if you have to. You're going to see these patterns in the music so much, eventually you're going to just instantly know it. You've seen it so much, you get it. Second line, the right hand. See, the bottom note's staying the same, the top note's changing. First line, the top note stayed the same. Okay. Later on, both notes will change. Let's just stick with this. Now, medium loud, whatever that is, and it says moderately fast. Well, to me, again, that's a fun speed, just fun. I'm just dropping the wrist here, just having fun dropping the wrist. Because when you're learning it, you go slow and gradually speed it up. And again, get to where you can play this without looking at the keyboard. You don't want any hesitations anywhere. So let's play it together slowly to double check the notes. You just listen very carefully because we're listening to multiple notes here. Just make sure your notes match my notes. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try this together. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, off.